Welcome guys. On today's video I'm going to be opening my monthly craft box. This is a monthly subscription by Stampin' Up. If you're interested in this, please do stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, my name is Claudette. On this channel I create projects using paper, inks, stamps, mixed media, embellishments, and a whole lot of joy. So please do consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm also going to list a video above talking more in depth of how you could get your monthly subscription of this craft kit, which is called Paper Pumpkin. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to unbox this and show you what I had last month. So this is just a beautiful little kit right here. So as we're opening it, we could see we get a little ink pad. That's a stamping spot. And this is in a rich raspberry color. And you have your stamp set. This is a photo Palmer stamp set, a clear stamp set that you could see through. And so this is cute. You have a little bear on there. You have some sentiments that says get well soon. You're on my mind. Hooray. You have some flowers and some leaves. Okay, and they just have a little leaflet in here that tells you about our new stamp cut and emboss machine. And it also tells you about other little projects that you could get to add color to your paper pumpkin projects. So this is nicely wrapped. So let's go ahead and take that out. So they're showing you the cards that you could make, and these are just beautiful little fun cards. It look like it's called Beary Comforting. So let's go ahead and open this up. And as you guys could see, it's nicely wrapped. So let's turn it this way. So this is the instructions that comes with the kit that tells you how to create your projects within the kit. And you have a little ruler here to the bottom too as well. They have a little cardboard insert to keep your projects from bending. They gave you some dimensionals, and these are the large dimensionals. You have your little animals here that pops out. You have a little koala, a raccoon, a bear. They give you envelopes to put your cards in. They're like lined inside. And then you have the base of your cards. They are pre-scored already for you. The insides are white, and they provide you with different colors. You have different shapes that you could pop out to create your cards. They give you several of those. And I love Stampin' Up! Because the colors, they coordinate so nicely. So you have a different color here in your, they give you 3 different color card base. And these pieces are so you could design the front of your cards or the inside of the cards if you choose. This is another card base right here. They provide you with some labels. And then you have some more pop-up designs. So let's see how many cards that you could make with these. They list those. And also to the back of the instruction, they give you alternative ways that you could use the products that came within the kit besides making these 3 different designs. Okay, so it says up here, it contains supplies for 12 cards and they include the 12 envelopes. And those are the 3 different designs that comes with the instructions, but of course you could get creative and create your own design. So thank you guys for tuning in to my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.